they're not. But I do have like a bunch of reports taken. He stole my Rock Revival jeans, lingerie, lube,
Columbus Police, Tech 11.
Yeah, I'm at Cedar Street, and my ex has all of my clothing, and he stole a vibrator and all kinds of crazy stuff, as well as he's trying to flip my car, Seeger Street, Seegar Street. And he's trying to flip...
With you?
No, he has all my belongings, and he's trying to flip my car. And my car had a VIN number in it, and he took my motor mounts off and things like that of my car.
Any weapons, a gun or a knife?
He does have a gun.
Did he show
but
you? Did he
he's
threaten
not
you with
using it or anything.
No.
Yeah.
What is your name?
I'm in the rear of I'm in the rear of the house. I'm in the garage.
Okay. All right. We'll get officers out there as soon as we can to stay away from.
Thank you.
Out there. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Columbus Police, Tech 71.
Hi, I just called it in. I called it in. I'm not sure about the exact on the address, but it's in Hilliard, Ohio, off Seeger Street, Seegar. Can you have them bring he was trying to flip my car, and I don't know if he's hiding drugs or anything in my car. If you guys can have them come out.
Okay,
but
so
I don't know.
Has anything changed since you've called in the last 9 minutes ago, or?
No, the reason for my call, I wanted to give you the exact address. Hold on 1 second.
Hello.
I just came by to, so my ex is in there, and he has like all my clothes and some personal items like adult novelties and stuff like that. I don't want to say like too crazy, but I want like my clothes back and my adult stuff, adult novelties back. And
did you already talk to him and call him or anything?
I did. And I have lingerie. I have like
house because we thought you were.
I think this is
I have like lingerie in there, all kinds of stuff.
You live here?
I don't live here. No.
Okay.
I don't live here.
He lives here then?
He lives here. Yeah.
Okay. Where did he get all that stuff from?
My house.
Okay, so he's at your stuff. Okay.
Did you bring it over here though?
No, he got it from my house.
Okay.
And also, I wanted to show you guys, my VIN number is off my car, and my motor mount's off my car, and I wanted to show you guys real quick.
Okay. Well, the VIN's still there on the tag.
Yeah.
So that's the only place
there it is.
Yeah.
But if you guys want to work on that, I'll show you guys what else is going on. In a second.
What?
VIN's up here too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as, and I'll just say that because I'm a car guy, so as long as this VIN number is here and that VIN number is right there still, you're good.
Well, I did a report already.
Okay.
My rims have been stolen, and my brakes have been stolen, and my hubs, rotors, all that. And I think he did have something to do with that.
Okay. Well, you said you already did the report on that?
Yeah, I had Firestone. I don't know if he's got any Firestone tires or anything, but I had Firestone tires on here, and now they're all different.
Okay.
So I think when we broke up, like, he was mad at me because, like, honestly, I cheated on him once.
Okay.
And I think that's why he was doing stuff like this. You know what I mean?
How long have you guys been broken up?
It's been a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're really just trying to get property from inside the house, right?
I just want my tires and rims because I'm pretty positive I can almost guarantee you. You know how it's always somebody that you know.
Yeah, yeah.
That he was mad at me because I cheated on him once, and I think I'm pretty almost positive like he'll tell you.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to talk to him.
Okay. Yeah.
As far as
someone that called overnight and wanted somebody to take something out of her ear.
What's that?
She called and wanted a CIT officer last night because she needed someone to take like a speaker out of her ear or something like that.
Okay.
She's meth.
Ma'am, do you have his phone number?
He says, "Bitch, my daughter has school and I ain't even home, and I know he's here."
Well, we saw him like go
It's
on
614.
What's his name?
James. 81 people. He has my lingerie, like adult toys, like all kinds of stuff. Like Rock Revival $250 jeans.
We'll look at the.
He's in there. His daughter's there too.
Yeah, we know somebody shut the light off when we knock.
Yeah, his daughter and him are both there.
Okay. Well, we can't just go busting the door, right?
Okay. Yeah, if you want to knock on his bedroom window, he's here.
We're not gonna knock on this bedroom window.
Yeah.
We'll knock on the front door. That's what we'll knock.
Can we get a warrant?
Nope.
Like a search warrant? Because he has all my stuff?
Nope. Not for something like that. I mean, did you actually see him take the stuff?
Yeah.
Hey, sir, this is Officer McLean with the Columbus Division of Police. I just wanted to give you a call in regards to speaking with an Amber. She said you have some of her items and she would like them back. If you're home, we're currently out back at your house. Just come out and talk to us so we can kind of get this squared away. I appreciate you. Take care. Bye.
All right.
I'm 100% positive he's in there because he asked me to just come out to the garage and suck his dick.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm just being honest.
Okay.
That's what he said.
All right. Well, like I said, we just can't go kicking in the door
He said,
and.
come out here. He said, come out and suck my dick. So I know he's in there.
I left him a message. I mean, again, it's something that we can't go gangbusters.
Yeah, I know. But I'm like, I know he's in there.
Van, I guess at this point we try to call and we try to talk to him to get this.
This is wrong. Like, this is fucked up.
I agree. Taking people's stuff.
The only reason he doesn't want to answer the door is because by law he's obligated to tell you the truth because of his job. He can't lie. And that's fucked up. He can't lie to you guys because of his job. That's why he's not answering the door.
Okay. All right.
That's fucked up.
We'll get some information real quick, okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna just have to go to the prosecutor's office in the morning.
Yep. That's what I was gonna have you do, but I still need to get your
$20
information.
grand out of my bank account too.
Okay. And you know that for a fact?
Yep.
All right. Is that him?
Yep. He said I'm in Whitehall. Yeah, right. You just asked me to suck your dick.
Okay, well, it could be a possibility that just his daughter's here. All right, what's your name, ma'am?
Amber.
What's your last name, Amber?
Jack.
All right.
And I want to tell you guys like everything. So like I'm 100% positive. He had something to do with my rims, tires, hubs.
Okay, did you actually see him do it?
My motor mount. No, people have told me.
Okay, well.
Motor mount on my car.
Okay, you said you already had a report on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hubs, rims.
Do you know what the report number was on that one?
I don't. I made. Let's see if I can get in my email. I made these reports yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if they're still on my phone. They're not. But I do have like a bunch of reports taken. He stole my Rock Revival jeans, lingerie, lube,
Just go
all kinds of stuff.
Like brands, prices.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Rock Revival jeans were like $250. I don't know what my hubs, brakes, and
Okay, well,
rims
if you've
would
already
cost.
had a report done on that, I'm not
Yeah.
gonna do a report on your
Okay.
car.
Okay.
Just stuff that you're just talking about right now.
I did police reports on all this. I just wanted to get my stuff back.
Okay, so you've
before
done
I went
reports on
downtown.
all these?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Lingerie and all that stuff.
Yeah.
You've already done a report on
Yep.
that? Okay, if you've already done a report on that, we'll just sit there. It's all documented that we've been out here. If you've already done all that stuff, I'm not going to take another report on it if
I'll
it's already
just
been
go
put
to
in
the
there.
prosecutor's office tomorrow
Absolutely,
morning.
yep.
So what's the best time to go there? Like first thing in the morning?
I would go first thing in the morning. Here,
Like
I got
8
the card.
o'clock?
I got the card.
Like 8 o'clock?
As soon as they open up, he'll get you a card except the hours on the back.
See, that's why he wouldn't come out here because by law he has
There
to
you go.
tell you guys the truth. He can't lie because
They're
of his
not.
job.
They're not open until 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay.
Go down as soon as you can.
And just talk to them about that.
And then,
Okay.
do you
Get your
have
reports.
the
Yep. Get your report
Yeah,
numbers.
I have
the numbers.
Just have
Yeah,
them.
I'll get them off the
They'll-
internet.
They'll reference that. Yep. Yeah. They'll just say, hey, these are the incident numbers.
Okay.
They'll pull up all the reports.
Okay. And like regarding my jeans and all that, he has to pay for everything he took, right?
Well, that's that. Talk to the prosecutor about that. Okay. That's
Like
gonna
my
be up
cell
to
phone,
them.
He threw my cell phone in a toilet.
What the prosecutor's going to do is going to review those reports and see if there's enough probable cause to charge him.
Okay.
And then he'll go from there.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you.
All right, take care.
Thanks.